again from wapinas.com, wapinas.com, and today we're doing the unboxing and quick review of the Huawei P9. There's three variations of the P9 from Huawei. It's the P9 Lite, P9, and P9 Plus. So we're gonna be doing the quick unboxing of the P9. So here it is. This is the P9. It's a 5.2-inch phone. The main difference of the P9 with the other cell phones out there right now is that it's the only one with the dual cam from Leica. Okay, Leica is a well-known brand in the photography industry, which turns out very great shots of photographs. So before we go to the phone, this is the box. Okay. Open it. The phone's supposed to be here. Okay. Inside you'll see three compartments. This is for the plug, which we won't use right now. This one has the Type-C cable and the headset. Okay. The Type-C cable is basically a better variant of the cables that most Android phones use right now. In short, it has 8 wires inside, which helps in terms of faster charging times and faster data transfer times. But the end of the port of the Type-C cable is flat and different compared to the usual USB cables that we use right now. Let me open that. As you can see, now you don't have to worry about having it, trying to find which side should go into the phone at night or in the dark. As you can see, it fits. Plug it out, turn it around, and then still fits. So basically that means you can easily put it inside, plug it in, even if you can't see anything. As long as you're able to find the hole, you're good to go. The other box contains the manual, screen protector, and one of the most important things you need is the SIM tray pin. Okay, we'll put all of this away. Okay. The SIM tray pin is used to, of course, open the phone. The phone also comes with a free casing. It's a lot easier to remove it from the bottom. Okay. Yeah. Depends on the country that you're in. There's two variants again of the phone. It's in terms of the SIM. There's dual SIM and a single SIM. This is single SIM phone, and that's where you put the SD card. Okay. Okay, the phone itself is a 5.2-inch phone. As you can see, the SIM tray is on the left, the volume buttons and the power button is all on the right. The two cameras are on the back. Both of those are 12 megapixels. This is a fingerprint sensor. Okay. The ports are in the bottom. Okay. The Type-C cable port, the 3.5mm headset jack, and the loudspeaker. Okay. Later we'll test it out so that you hear how loud it is. It's for the RAM. There's again two variations: the 3 gig and the 4 gig, and respectively the memory or the internal memory it comes with is 32 gig or 64 gig. It's an octa-core phone. It uses the high silicon Kirin 955 chipset. It's already 6.0 or Marshmallow, the OS, and it has the screen is Corning Gorilla Glass. Okay, so you shouldn't have any problems with scratching the screen of your phone unless you try to run it over or actually want to. Okay, I forgot to mention it uses a nano SIM. Okay, if you didn't notice that before. Um, it comes in a variety of colors: ceramic white, haze gold, rose gold, titanium gray, mystic silver, prestige gold, red, and blue. I honestly do not know what color this phone is. Ow! Okay, let's check the box. It says on the box that it's prestige gold. Okay, it's a 32 gig phone with RAM 3 GB. There's two different model types. You see it there. Okay, the EVA L19 and the EVA L29. The L29 is the dual SIM version. Okay. Now, according to Antutu, it scores at 60,126. Which, if I remember correctly, for an octa-core phone that I've tested, is LTE capable. This is probably one of the highest that I've encountered. Okay. I'm not cheating. Okay. Okay. Now, let's go through quick some of the functions. Okay. It has a built-in step or walking mirror, something like that. So apparently, I've only done 45 steps as of today. Okay. It doesn't have a lot of bloatware installed. Okay. I think the only thing we installed here is the Instagram, Twitter, Antutu, Messenger, and of course Facebook. Okay. Let's go find the settings. Let's close that. We don't need that anymore. Shortcuts. Okay. Now there's the settings. Okay. Dual card SIM management. Okay. Later we'll test it and put in another SIM card. Okay. Okay. Memory. Maybe it's in advanced settings. Okay. Memory and storage. The phone has a total of 25 gig free out of the 32 gig internal memory, so it eats up about 6.92 gig for the OS. Camera. The camera is probably the best feature that one of the best features that the Huawei P9 has. Okay, just some quick tips. Okay, turn it around. Okay, and the usual grid lines and all the stuff. See that arrow? If you bring that up, that's the Pro version. So it's like a DLSR. You can manipulate the settings. Okay, if you don't want to go through that, okay. For example, I'm gonna take a picture of this slider. Okay. Quick tip: see, there's two circles. You can drag that out and focus it somewhere else. See, that will help you adjust the brightness of the picture of the shot, right? And quick. For the settings, you just slide left, okay, and slide right. Okay, this is for the photo settings, different settings that you want for the picture, and the actual camera settings is here on the other side. Okay, so basically the phone looks sturdy enough. I've dropped it once. Sorry about that. but it was, it's also had the case, so it's basically safe. There's three variations of, as I mentioned, three variations of the P9, and this version is about around 19,000 if I'm not mistaken. Wait, let me check. Price of P9 Huawei. Oh, I'm disconnected to the internet. Anyway, there's three. The P9 Plus is about around 28,000 if I'm not mistaken, and the P9 is around 18 to 19,000, or 16 to 20,000, let's say, and the P9 Lite is a bit more affordable at the price range of about 13,000. So if you want to see the sample shots of the P9, go on and visit the website www.wapinas.com, and you'll be able to see the unboxing article along this video and the sample shots of the P9. Thanks everyone. Bye.